Brothers and sisters, welcome back to another action-packed episode of Crystal Butcher and Friends. And today's episode, it's a special one. Today, I'm going to show you boys and girls how to cook a full beef fillet. No, I'm not. And I never was. What I'm going to do, like the title of the episode says, I'm going to do a honey and mustard glazed port loin. Oh! Let's crack on, because I'm running out of time here. By the way, it's Sunday. I say this a lot, don't I? It's Sunday. You might see this on a Wednesday afternoon. Oh! On that note, let's crack on. So, we've got ourselves a piece of port loin. Now, I don't want to disappoint you guys. It ain't got the skin on, so we won't get no crackling. But that's not what we're trying to achieve in this video. Now, I've put a bit of water at the bottom of there. Sheesh, fuck. That's hot water. I don't know why I did. The kettle just bowed and I used it. So, on top of there, we're going to put some salt. Then we're going to hit it with some ground black pepper from the JB. Lashings off, you know what I mean? We want plenty of black pepper on, don't we? And then, I haven't forgot. I didn't know this was going to work. Do you know what I mean? But, you know, we don't mess around in this house, do we? We don't mess around. Let's get that in there. That is lashings, and I mean lashings of lazy garlic, because as you all know, we love garlic in this house. And the last thing to do right now is just get this bad boy covered in tin foil, or as you Yanks call it, aluminium foil. Right, it's £4 in weight. Now they say it's 20 minutes per pound, don't they? Plus 20 minutes. So that's 80 minutes, that's an hour and 20 minutes. No, it's not. Yeah, it is. But an extra 20 minutes, that's an hour and 40 minutes. So, I've got my oven, I'm babbling on, aren't I? Got my oven preheated to 180 degrees, that's gas mark 4, that's 356 Fahrenheit. I'm going to cook that for an hour. Then I'm going to take the tin foil off. And listen, you're going to get it anyway. Right, let's bang this bastard in the oven. Right, so we've got an hour to kill. Essentially I haven't, but, you know, I have. Right, I'm going to talk to you about this small channel movement that I started, right? Now, it's open to any YouTuber that wants to get involved, whether you got one sub or even if you got 100,000 subs. Because if you want to give us a shout out, that'd be great. Also, secondly, right, about this YouTube partnership, about the monetization. Now, I've had a couple of people saying to me, oh, I didn't think you were in it for money. I didn't think you were... I'm not, right? Some people are misconstruing what I am doing here, right? For some channels, they thrive on the monetization. Me, as you're well aware, there's a lot of bad language. So I get a lot of demonetization going on this channel. Which, in return, I don't earn a lot. Right? So, I say so a lot, don't I? Right, what I'm getting to is, I'm not doing this for the monetization. If I hit 1,000 subs by the 20th of February, obviously, I've done my hours. I still have to have the channel reviewed. So there's no guarantee I will get my YouTube partnership, but it's not the monetization I'm worried about losing. It's what else they could possibly take away, which could be custom thumbnails, live streaming, etc, etc. If you ever get to 10,000 subs, they might not let you have the community button. We don't know. So, anyway, I'm going to bat on regardless, right? I've got 2 more channels. I'm going to give them a shout out. And as usual, the link to their channel will be in the description or the show more bar, right? The first one is the Cooking with Colin channel, right? I've only come across him lately, and I've come across him because of this movement. I've subbed to him and he's subbed to me, right? The second one, and I've come across this channel as well, the exact same way. And that's, just 1 minute. Yeah, Max Barbecue Team. Listen, I've told you, I've got a memory like a fucking goldfish. I can't remember jack shit, so I have to write stuff down. So yeah, Max Barbecue Team, also link in the description. Right, that's enough of me waffling on. I've got that in the oven. It's been in there about 25 minutes now as we speak. I've got other shit to do. Carrots, potatoes. Not that you'll see that on video because you don't need to, because it's all about this honey mustard glazed pork loin. We're very close to getting this pork loin out of the oven for the first time. So I think we better knock out our honey and mustard glaze, aren't we? Right, first thing we're going to do, we'll drop a bit of cold pressed rapeseed on at the bottom of the bowl. I don't know why, I just thought it'd look good. Right, mustard. Normally I'd have Coleman's, but I didn't have any. So we're just using Heinz. Mild. It's got to be mild, otherwise I don't think kids will eat it otherwise. And then mustard. Sorry. Honey. Put some honey on it. Reminds me of a joke, that. I'll tell you in a minute. Right. What we do, just get that all mixed up. And maybe I'll tell you that joke. In fact, fuck it, I'm telling you right now. Englishman, Irishman and an American all sat round a table having a meal with their wives. An American turns to his wife and goes, "Passes the honey, honey." An Englishman's like, "You smarmy bastard." So he turns to his wife, he says, "Passes the sugar, sugar." And then the Irishman's like, "The fuck are these on about?" He turns to his wife and goes, "Passes the fucking milk, you cow." That's been an hour and 10 minutes because I forgot. Right. Oh. Oh, come on. I tell you. Oh, God, just rip into it. Buggerations. Oh. I tell you what, that smells mighty fucking fine. Right, anyway. We're going to delve in with this. This is my first run with it. And it's got, I shouldn't have put all that garlic on it, but hey, who cares? Get it all racked in there. Just want to get a bit of a cover on it first. Oh, yes. Don't worry if you've not made enough of that. You can always make some more. Unless you've run out of, obviously, honey and mustard, obviously. But I haven't. So we'll get a good coating on there. Put that back. And we're going to get this back in the oven now for another 20 minutes. It's been another 20 minutes. Right. Stand by. Oh, right up my shirt. Hey, big gut's warm anyway. Oh, yes. Now, I don't know if you can see that. It's going slowly. Right, well, we're not finished there, are we? Because we need to get the rest of this on here now. Let's get it caked on. Get it all over. Go down front, everything. See that? There we go. Right, this is going back in the oven for another 20 minutes and then it should be done. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's ready. So I'm going to cut a slice off and, oh, it's juicy. Oh, we're going to go for a taste test. It's absolutely mad hot. Oh yeah. Get some of that. That. Oh, you know what? Words don't even describe that. That's so sweet. The honey really takes over. The mustard gives it a glaze with the, obviously with the honey as well, but oh, look at that. Can you see it? Holy fuck. Shit. That is out of this world. So, that was my honey mustard glazed port loin. Now, if you're interested, obviously I can't see what I'm doing, but look at the fucking mammoth of that. That is my tea tonight. That will put me to sleep like that. You've got me small channel movement shout outs in the description. So, if you like it, press like, comment, share it on your social media. Tell me what a prick I am. In fact, let's be kind. Tell me what a wanker I am. Right? Never mind that. Anyway, press subscribe and become a member of #TeamCtb with me, Lou, Connor, Kieran, Lucy, you brothers and sisters, all you new brothers and sisters. Listen, I'm going to get round to you. This small channel movement is not ending here. We're going to carry this on till the fucking end of time. Maybe not, but I fucking love you.